Did you know you can build your own LEGO train models? Right now, get ready to build a dedicated LEGO trains theme with these fantastic fan-made models. Our first LEGO build is simply gigantic, 2-10-10-2 locomotive. This massive model is based on the 1911 mallet from back in the day. You get this fantastic locomotive with many wheels and pistons. We also have a nice space for an engineer here. There's also a unique tender that is also massive by itself. However, a locomotive is not complete without a passenger coach. So let's have special coach. This small but simple model is quite detailed. This model features a beautiful retro design that will transport you back in time. This model is great. First off, the doors can open up, so it's already better than some real LEGO sets. This model captures the essence of those old passenger cars from back in the day. But did you know you can actually build this model at your own home? The problem: this model would cost you approximately $553. Welcome to Bricklink, your one-stop shop for LEGO pieces. Bricklink is like an eBay for LEGO pieces. Not every fan knows that Bricklink is more than that. One of the coolest aspects of Bricklink is the MOC section. Here, talented builders upload their original designs, and you can download the studios files or the instructions to recreate these masterpieces. Studio is a powerful software by Bricklink that lets you build virtually, design custom models, and generate instructions for your own creations. It can get expensive, specifically when a single seller doesn't have all the pieces you need. Thankfully, Bricklink has this easy buy button. Just click this button and see how much it would cost. Next up we have BR Class 40. Let's travel to Great Britain and see these classic diesel locomotives. These trains are famous in the United Kingdom with their elegant design. These are the British Railway Type 4 Class 40 Whistler diesel-electric locomotives. They are called that because of the unique sound that they would make, thus Whistler. The designer was generous enough to include 3 locomotives options full of character. We have a blue option with yellow accent colors, giving that iconic look to this locomotive. Then we have 2 dark green locomotives with small changes between the two. Our next model is a blast from the past, red locomotive Maersk style. This is a nostalgic trip back in time. Do you guys miss the old LEGO Maersk set from back in the day? Now this model is a perfect substitute for that, with a nice red color scheme that might stand out in your LEGO city. Additionally, this model is filled with a lot of detail and small pieces, creating a nice model overhaul. Additionally, since this model doesn't contain some of the pieces from the original LEGO sets, specifically those blue colored pieces, it becomes cheaper to build this red version instead of the original. But let's see how much it would cost. Why? Well, because I set my location to the United States. However, it seems as if there isn't a dedicated Bricklink seller that has all the pieces we need, so it requires us to import from Germany and Australia, and you guys know how expensive shipping fees can be. However, why do all of this? While LEGO doesn't have a dedicated trains theme, at least anymore, you have the power to bring your railway dreams to life with Bricklink MOCs or your own custom vision. Here's why you should jump on board. Bricklink is a treasure trove of MOCs, where talented builders share their amazing train set designs. You can download such studios files and follow detailed instructions to recreate these masterpieces. Plus, it's a great way to get inspired and learn new building techniques. When you build your own LEGO train set, you get to decide every detail. Want a vintage steam locomotive? Or how about a sleek, high-speed train? The choice is yours. Customizing your train set means it's perfectly tailored to your vision and preferences. While it can be more expensive if you need to source pieces from multiple sellers, building your own train set can also be cost-effective and incredibly rewarding. By carefully planning and using parts you already have, you can create something unique without breaking the bank. Plus, the end result is one of a kind. With no dedicated trains theme, the possibilities are endless, since you are not confined to pre-made sets, so you can build sprawling rail networks, intricate switchyards, and detailed coaches. Every piece you add is a step towards creating a wonderful little LEGO train model that's truly yours. Ready to start your journey? Check out this model 460 Victorian Voyager, based on the LNER BR B1 B17 460 locomotive that, yes, looks similar to the Hogwarts Express, and it does look quite similar to Flying Scotsman. This well-designed model features red and black color schemes, with a nicely colored boiler and a large tender. You can see the designer putting a lot of effort with this model. Just look at the amount of detail in this set. So overall, this is an outstanding little model, but is it going to break your wallet? Well, it would cost approximately $165, and you would have to order pieces from Slovenia. Now let's travel to Ukraine for Old Depot. According to the designer quote, it was based on the building of the electric station of the Lukinin City Railway located in Kiev, end quote. You can see this model is outstanding, with nice brickwork utilizing the masonry bricks. This creates a nice industrial look. But how much would it cost is the question we all want to know. Well, I have some bad news, LEGO fans. Want you guess how much this cost? Maybe $300? $500? $700? $992. Now that's a lot. In fact, I think I would need to take out a loan to afford that. But at the end of the day, this is what happens when you have such a beautifully detailed model with a lot of pieces. Next up, we have a miniature version of a LEGO set, that being LEGO Bricklink set Mini Logging Railway. We took a look at the logging railway in a previous episode. However, this fan designer created a miniature version of the set. This one is the most beautiful train model so far. Why? Because it's small but fantastic. It includes a nice locomotive and even a caboose, so you can see the designer was able to stuff a bunch of details from that set. Take a look at the structure. It's nice, however even the designer admits that the bridge needed a bit more detailing. That is because he was limited to using only 300 pieces. However, this model proves size does not matter. Next up we have Rail Diesel Car. This model is based on the iconic Bud Rail Diesel Car, built during the 1950s. It is intended primarily for static display, as a motor solution has not yet been worked out. So how much would it cost? Well, $69. However, we need to ship from Italy and Sweden, which ends up at the end of the day. But overall, this is an outstanding model. Now that you have seen the potential of creating custom LEGO train sets, it's time to unleash your creativity. Start building! Let your imaginations run wild and craft the train of your dreams, just like the brick build model we just saw. But don't stop there. Dive deeper into the creativity of the LEGO community by clicking this video on the screen right now, where you explore amazing LEGO trains made by fans, discover incredible designs, learn new building techniques, and get inspired to build your own custom trains.